Hi, welcome to Matilda Visits. We are in the Reykjanes area here in Iceland. That's what we're going to look at today. Just behind us there, this is a geopark, again a UNESCO World Heritage area because of its unique properties, the volcanic action and everything that you can see. So let's go.
You are here now, and you could easily do this ring here today. Could be from my family, they are all blonde and all that. And so you could, you know, take everything in here, store on all sides, and on second and third floor. Danish warehouse, actually. That was Norwegian, sorry, taken down and then shipped over to Iceland. Because we don't have this kind of a route in Iceland.
Leander, vi kan gå og lukke på en troll det her i minnet.
Det er skyvalfisk.
Det er mine.
Oh, that's what trolls are tiny. Maybe.
Look, a dandelion. Look, the troll was taking me.
Whoa, lucky you wore your hiking boots today, Matilda.
Whoa, look at the door.
I knew you would do that.
We have to ask what it is about these trees full of nookies. Yes.
In Iceland.
Good girl.
Just more volcanic stones and stuff.
Volcano.
The place behind us is called Brimketil, and it is where the lava meets the sea, and the sea constantly keeps on pounding. It forms kind of like pools at the front, and yeah, the waves are just spectacular. They shoot up into the air as soon as they hit the land. Looks really, really cool. Actually, in every direction you look here, it's really impressive because there is lava fields as far as you can see. There's geysers and hot steam rising out of the earth over there. It really makes you appreciate that you're in a geological, very, very active zone here. What do you think, my darling?
I thought that was amazing, but it was very, very scary. All I could think of the whole time was maybe accidentally falling in there. You wouldn't stand a chance. It was unbelievable. It's so rough and wild.
Matilda, listen.
And what are we doing today?
Going to the pool in Iceland. In the volcano, Iceland. Mommy, I'm going to go in the pool without clothes.
that makes you look younger.
With Matilda Visits, we are here at the Blue Lagoon in Iceland near Reykjavik. And yeah, we're just about to check out a waterfall over there. If you can't hear me very well, it is because this phone is now inside a plastic waterproof case. Yeah, to protect it from all the water and all the silica that is around here. Have you found the waterfall, Matilda? Matilda, how did you like the swimming?